Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add voiceover or narration in Likee. To add voiceover or narrations in your Likee video, first of all, open up your Likee application on your smartphone and make sure that you're logged in. After you're signed into the homepage of Likee, go ahead and click on the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen to begin creating a new video. Once you end up in this camera page, record or upload your video. If you want to record a new video using the camera, tap on the little red circle and record your video. If you want to upload a pre-recorded clip from your gallery, click on upload at the bottom right. From your camera roll, go ahead and select the video you want to add voiceover or narration in. After choosing the video, click on next at the bottom right. This will then take you to the video editing page. Now, the next thing to do is to tap on the original button right in front of your clip and mute the original video and tap on the tick at the bottom right. Now on the next page, go ahead and click on the little drop down arrow on the right corner under edit and click on record. Tap on the record icon in red at the bottom to record your audio or narration, or you can also long press to record. After recording your audio or narration, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right, and then you will be able to add a voiceover to your Likee video right away. Whether you are narrating a skit, giving tips, or reacting to trends, make sure your content follows community guidelines and respect all viewers. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.